Okay, these you should have done on your own. Let's see how you did. Now, this one, I tried to trick you. There's just a negative here, but it's a -1. You can write the 1 if you need to see it, but usually in algebra, we don't write the 1s. If it's a coefficient or if it's an exponent, we just don't write them. So it's a -1 being multiplied by a +3. So that gives me -3. And it's a negative divided by a negative, so that's positive. 1 times 9 is 9, and the x squared stays the same. For number 2, I'm distributing a 2y, so 2 times 5 is 10, the y stays. Then positive times negative is negative, 2 times 2 is 4. Y times y is y squared. Threw that one in. Don't know if you knew that, but this is a 1 and this is a 1. We add those together. 1 plus 1 is 2. Okay, so if you're multiplying a variable times a variable, your exponent should be changing.